tumahimik nga kayo, ano ba? Hoy, nandiyan si teacher! Hoy, ayusin nyo lahat ng gamit nyo! Hoy, yung upuan, ayusin nyo na!
Uy, balik sa upuan!
Hoy, proper seat! Jog. Ay, si teacher.
Good morning! It's nice to see you! Hola, mabuhay! Did you clean your classroom? Yes!
Maybe. Sure, no.
Those pens on the floor.
Sa game 1 po.
Are you done with the lecture?
No, sir.
What did you do a while ago?
Playing day. We're just singing the drawing papers, drawing bags,
You
and
clean your
drawing chairs.
classroom and return back after 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. Good.
Teacher,
See you. God after 5 minutes.
Thank you for teaching us.
Hola, mabuhay.
Then,
Beyond the persecution,
Beyond the challenge.
beyond the obstacle, you are there with us.
In times of happiness,
in time of need,
in time of sadness, you are there with us.
Every time you show your care,
Every time you show your love, forever we remember, so we thank you. Since today is your day,
We offer you our great thanksgiving.
we offer you love
Our
as our teacher,
congratulations.
and of forever you will be in our hearts and mind.
Thank you for
everything, and forever you will be in our hearts. We love you, teacher.
Hola, mabuhay.
Love you.
For everything and happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Teacher Lani, happy birthday. Sana ice cream namin matikman na namin. Lagi mo naman kami inaasal eh. Happy birthday ulit. Chup-chup mama.
Mamaya na ako pa.
Teacher Lani, happy birthday. Pagpatuloy mong pagiging mabait mo para lahat kami maging maayos na rin. Patitikman na namin yung ice cream mong masarap. Yun lang.
Yung sa pagiging mabait sa amin. Happy birthday, we love you.
Teacher, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa mga ginawa niyo. Tapos, sa mga inuutos niyo, ginagawa naman namin. Pero, inaabangan ko din yung ice cream mo. Kaya, happy birthday. Salamat sa mga ginawa mo.
Lani, thank you po sa lahat. Happy birthday.
Teacher Lani, salamat po sa lahat. Happy birthday na lang po.
Happy birthday, Chur. Happy birthday sa ating dalawa, Chur. Tsaka yung ini-expect ko, Chur, sana dumating na. Chur, sabi nga sana namin sa form na beyond the persecutions, Chur, nandun kayo lagi. Chur, maraming salamat sa lahat ng tinulong sa amin. Thank you, Chur. Happy birthday.
Teacher, thank you sa pagiging mabait at matyaga sa amin, sa pagiging, maintindihan sa amin kahit masyado kami pasaway. Mahal na mahal ka namin, teacher. Happy birthday. Teacher Lani, happy birthday po. Thank you sa lahat. I love you.
Teacher Lani, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat ng nagawa niyo sa amin. I love you po.
Teacher Lani, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. I love you very much. Teacher Lani, salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng patience. Promise din na po magpapasaway. Maging mabait na po. Tapos, teacher, sana po patuloy niyo pa rin kaming intindihin. I love you very much. Happy birthday. Teacher Lani, happy birthday. Salamat po sa pagtsatsaga niyo sa amin. Tsaka sorry kung napapatanda po namin. Happy birthday. I love you. Teacher Lani, happy birthday and salamat po sa pag-iintindi niyo sa amin kahit makukulit kami at saka pinagbibigyan niyo kami sa gusto namin. Saka, Chur, sana, ang wish ko lang sa inyo, Chur, sana mapakalala niyo na sa amin yung papa niyo, gusto niyo. At saka, yung pag-ingay niyo, Chur, na kasi, Chur, bibigay ko sa inyo yan, Chur, promise. Happy birthday, Chur, we love you.